The protection against various cancers and infections is provided by your body's natural defense system, which helps you deal with internal and environmental hazards. This is done through the body's immune cells working side by side. The natural defense system is also known as the immune system. Bone marrow, thymus, spleen, and lymph nodes contain white blood cells which are also called immune system cells. Nonspecific defense mechanisms act as the first line of defense against viruses or bacteria. Physical deterrents like skin and nasal hairs ensure protection against all kinds of parasites and germs pathogens. Inflammatory reactions and chemical deterrents act in the same way as an alarm in a house. Macrophages, dendritic cells, and granulocytes are cells that provide an immediate response against any kind of danger. They also activate adaptive immune cells. The adaptive immune system is an added layer of protection when pathogens slip through the innate immune system's defenses. It can also generate an immune response against specific pathogens. Extensive and wide range. 9 ways to boost natural defenses of the body. Sleep pattern. People with a poor sleep schedule have a higher chance of getting sick. Studies have shown that not sleeping for 6 or more hours every night increases your risk of getting a cold. Recommended hours of sleep according to age group are as follows. Infants, 14 hours. Teens, 8 to 10 hours. Adults, 7 or more hours. When you get the required rest your body needs, your natural immunity is strengthened. Several diseases cause you to sleep more so that your immune system has a chance to fight your infection. Our body's natural sleep-wake cycle or circadian rhythm can be disturbed by the blue light from our phones and TV sets, so screen time before bed should be limited and it is best to avoid blue light exposure 2 hours before bed. Another helpful tip is to try to go to bed at the same time every night to form a routine. Nutrition. Obesity and malnutrition are responsible for immune dysregulation and immunodeficiency. The rate of obesity has grown in the last decade and it is a cause for concern because excess nutrients in the body can cause several metabolic disorders which put you at a greater risk for developing infections and certain cancers. A healthy dose of physical activity is essential for people suffering from weight gain or obesity. Poor diet is a leading cause of immunodeficiency, and an efficient way to combat this would be to consume balanced and healthy meals. It is recommended that people suffering from disorders, the elderly, and smokers keep a track of their nutrient intake as they are at high risk for getting an immunodeficiency syndrome. Antioxidant levels. Antioxidants and nutrients that are found in nuts, fruits, vegetables, seeds, etc. are necessary for the production of immune mediators and for the maintenance of cytokine levels to ensure an adequate and controlled immune response. The duration of the common cold can also be reduced by the use of vitamin C, which is present in the foods listed above. Free radicals are compounds that cause inflammation in your body and can be combated by the antioxidants present in these foods. Alzheimer's, heart disease, and certain cancers are known to be caused by inflammation. Your digestive tract can be kept safe from harmful pathogens by a robust gut microbiome, which helps increase immunity. Omega-3. Your body's immune response can be boosted by eating foods that contain healthy fats and can decrease inflammation like salmon and olive oil. While low-level inflammation is a common reaction to stress or injury, chronic inflammation can suppress your immune system. Chances of chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes can be decreased by using olive oil. It helps your body fight infections through its anti-inflammatory properties. Probiotics. Beneficial bacteria known as probiotics populate your digestive tracts and are found easily in fermented foods. For example, yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and natto. According to research, a good network of gut bacteria assists your immune system in classifying cells as normal, healthy, or harmful. Fermented foods and probiotics boost your immune system by helping it target and identify harmful pathogens. Probiotic supplements are an effective alternative to fermented foods. Balanced carbs. Two large contributors to the growing rate of obesity are added sugars and carbohydrates. Obesity increases your chance of getting sick as it puts you at risk for several diseases. Weight loss and inflammatory reduction can be achieved by reducing your sugar intake, which in turn will lower your risk of type 2 diabetes, hyperlipidemia, and cardiovascular disorders. Removing added sugars from your diet will help in improving your immune system as the diseases caused by it weaken your immune system. Physical activity. Intense workouts may suppress our immune system, but an exercise in moderate amounts may help boost it. Vaccines in people with compromised immune systems are known to work more effectively if they exercise regularly. The aim is to exercise for 150 minutes per week. Moderate exercise includes activities such as the following: walking, jogging, swimming, light hiking, hydration. Your vulnerability to viruses and germs cannot be combated alone with hydration, but it plays a vital role in improving your health by improving renal function and providing electrolytes necessary for maintaining several body functions. Pale yellow urine signifies that your fluid intake is sufficient and you do not have dehydration. Juices and tea contain high sugar content, but they can be used for hydrating purposes in moderate amounts. Stress levels. Immune cell function can be disturbed by stress levels, which can promote inflammation. Stress levels can be reduced by yoga, meditation, breathing exercises, journaling, and other mindful practices. Conclusion. A strong defense system is necessary for optimal health. Slight changes in diet and lifestyle can be made to improve the quality of life and prevent the development of several diseases. This includes monitoring your sugar intake, drinking sufficient water, moderate exercise, regular sleep schedule, managing your stress levels. So, if you learned something new today, then give this video a like and share with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe so you will be notified on the next helpful video.